Our 1/4 inch rulers come in a packet of 2. There's a 12-inch ruler and a 6-inch ruler. They are designed to help you make half square triangles. The rulers are 1/2 inch wide, meaning the center line will help to show a 1/4 inch on each side. Take 2 squares of fabric and lay the squares on top of each other with right sides facing in. Grab your ruler and place it down diagonally. The center line of the ruler should meet both corners of your fabric square. Then, draw a line down both sides of the ruler. With your sewing machine, sew down both of the lines that you've just marked out. Once you've sewn 2 lines, lay your fabric down onto a cutting mat. Cut the fabric in half with a rotary cutter, making sure you don't cut through the stitching that you've just sewn. Now you have 2 half square triangles. When you unfold your fabric, you should have a perfect seam. You can use an iron to press the seams down like so. And that's how simple it is to use our 1/4 inch ruler.